We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we'll work hard for you too. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.